G'day guys, Matty from 4V Sessions Australia. Thought I'd give you a rundown on the nav, where it's at now and everything I've got done to it. So let's check it out. So we'll start inside the car. Rear locker, front locker, I've got this twin locked. Just an EDS scan gauge, I'll just use that to reset the computer when needed. Fog lights, because it's an SL, doesn't have any fog lights. Over this side I've got roof light, driving lights, and an extra rear locker switch. So you might wonder why I've got two. I run a Racewise rear locker switch in this, so I can actually put the rear locker in 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive high range as well, which has helped me out a few times. Also just got a two-way in here, a rear set of lights on the tray. Then, so this is the dual battery system I'm running. It's a kick-ass slimline, red arc charger, all lines obviously going out the back, all siliconed up, and that's behind the back seat. Also got a Bluetooth battery monitor, just makes things a bit easier, watch it through the app, but it's pretty tidy. So on the outside, got clear view mirrors, in-house fab intake, or Stano I guess you'd call it, plus their intake, plus their airbox. I'll show you that in a second. Got a perception light up under the top. I've got a platform, Rhino platform on top, just a flat rack. Dobinson awning on the right there. Down here, got Superior upper arms, PSR strut, and 33-inch tyres on a POS 20 rim. Also running SCF rock sliders. They've actually been really good. I had some bad reports on them, but I haven't been able to bend them, so pretty stoked with theirs. We're running the Shoreline Extreme Series bar on it. It's been a good bar. Got a set of driving lights from Perception Lighting. Let's see the aerial for the two-way. Got a Dobinson 12,000 pound winch up under here. That's all sitting there nice and neat. Under the bonnet, we'll have a look. Have to excuse the mess, it's a bit filthy. So that's the airbox by in-house fab, which goes down to, a bit hard to see, but their hard intake down there. Yes, it does move the computer, but had no issues with it. Over this side, obviously original battery, the fuel manager for the pre-diesel filter, which has been awesome. Haven't had any dramas with that. On this side, I've got a oil catch can down here. It was a bit hard to see up in there, but catch can sitting up nice and there, and then the drain's obviously down here. These are the fog lights that come with the bull bar. That's what that extra switch is on the cab. Underneath, I'm running PSR bash plates all the way through to the tail shaft. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4 plates to it. Also running a diff drop by PSR, which you can see in another video that I've done. At the back, I'm running Superior Engineering suspension, which is their 4-inch kit, and it flexes quite well. So running Superior's remote res, excuse the mud, it's pretty bad. Superior's remote res 4-inch lift kit for the rear with their arms and sway bar extenders and everything. It's a full kit that they did. It works really well. Also running up under here while we're under here, a full exhaust system with no DPF. That's from Spammer Performances. That thing is awesome. I've got a resonator. I've also got a straight through pipe, and when you got a straight through pipe, it sounds like an absolute jet engine. At the rear, we're running a 1500 tray. Little shorty tray just in front of the tow bar neck, I guess you'd call it. It looks absolutely awesome, little stumpy. Obviously all my plugs for the van, and also have an outlet for the second battery for the air compressor. Spare wheel carrier up there, fuel carriers. I think that's pretty much it. Nissan Navara. So I guess final thoughts. It's come up to the end of its lease, so it's time for me to move on. Originally, it was a great car. It started out really well. Yeah, I got defected by the police. We all knew that was going to happen. 6-inch lift, 35s hanging out of the guards. Was always going to happen. Dropping it down to the 4-inch lift with 33s. Well, probably about 3.5, I reckon I sits near. Has been awesome. I got it engineered at that as well. So I haven't had any dramas with police, which has been great. The only thing that I guess has let me down in this car was obviously the warranty side, but it is modified, so it's a risk you take. Um, but you know, I've blown an engine, which was because of bad fuel. I've done 2 transmissions. First one just locked up and let go, and yeah, obviously Nissan didn't want a bar of it. And the second one I just got unlucky, and apparently the bush let go in that as well. So unfortunately that went. I've done brake lines, I've done hot pipes, I've done rear mains, I've done um, diff seals, vacuum pumps. I've had a lot of issues with it, and I just put it down to it was unfortunate. Um, you know, I've spoken to a lot of the boys; they've never had any issues, so I think I just got unlucky. But you know, this little car, twin locked, auto, it went anywhere. It had more balls than me. I'll put it that way. So, you know, when it was running, it was unreal. It was just unfortunate that I had a bad run. But if you've got a nav, let me know in the comments below what you think about yours, because I'd love to hear it. I know I've been unlucky, but I know some of the boys that I used to go out with absolutely love them, and they've had no issues. So, you know, maybe my car was built on a Friday. I don't know. So, would I buy another one? Probably not. I got bitten 3 times with it, and I'm going to lose a lot of money selling it. But you know, end of the day, it's 4-wheel drives. So absolutely love it. Thanks for checking this out, guys. Subscribe, like. I'll bring you a new video soon. Thank you.